Hey Hacksters, if you're sick of damaging your walls like I am with nails and screws, these glued adhesive hooks might be the solution. Today we're going to test them out on 3 different textures to really test how well they hold up. You get 20 clear reusable hooks to hold firm without a drill, and I've mounted 3 on a drywall test board. All 3 surfaces are covered in semi-gloss paint. We're going to test smooth, heavy orange peel, and light orange peel. First up is going to be the smooth surface. It held a 30.4 pounds. The hook cracked, but the bond at the wall is still clean. Next up, we're moving on to the heavy orange peel. Not an ideal situation for adhesives, but the hook stuck surprisingly well. The hook gave out at 27.9 pounds, cracking at the hook, while the bond at the surface remained clean. And last up, we have the light orange peel surface. The hook cracked at 28.4 pounds, but the bond at the surface remained intact. For the price, these hooks more than did their job. Clean look, easy to apply, and honestly better than I expected across all the textures. Check out GLUIT's entire lineup with the affiliate links in the comments.